heard was a gentle bleat, sun sneaking in while I'm half asleep. Cool wooden boards under sleepy toes, that's how every morning goes. Washing the sleep from my eyes, hearing a clatter outside, and I know what I'll find. Muddy boots in the hallway, tiny tracks leading the way. Every morning's got its own way, but I love my muddy boots morning. Fuzzy faces waiting by the fence, baskets of hay make a little sense. Laughter drifting across the straw, little hands doing chores I saw. Snippets of singing and shouts, running and tumbling about, what life's all about. Muddy boots in the hallway, tiny tracks leading the way. Every morning's got its own way, but I love my muddy boots morning. Sometimes the rain leaves puddles behind, splashing and giggling, no one minds. I count my muddy boots, 1, 2, and 3. Always a pair right next to me. Muddy boots in the hallway, tiny tracks leading the way. Every morning's got its own way, but I love my muddy boots morning. Muddy boots in the hallway, in the hallway, boots in the hallway, boots in the hallway, boots in the hallway, in the hallway, boots in the hallway, boots in the hallway, boots in the hallway, in the hallway, boots in the hallway, muddy boots in the hallway, boots in the hallway, muddy boots in the hallway. I love my muddy boots morning. Yeah, I love my muddy boots morning.